Welcome back to Teshkid FX for another Gala Games price prediction update, which at the time of this recording is holding above the 20-day MA here on the 1 hour chart, which is now acting as support for us to continue gearing up. At the time of this recording also, we are trading within our resistance zone, which lies between the $0.04402 mark and the $0.04292 mark. We have also continued to obey the Elliot structures, where we had been seeing a bit of a breakdown to the lower side in the formation of this wave 2, in a move that has now managed to get into the minimum retracement area, highlighted here on the charts using this red target area. And all this is playing out after we fully peaked in the formation of that first wave in a move that gave us a high at around the $0.4267 mark. And now my primary scenario is that whatever we are seeing at the moment is the start of an impulsive wave in the formation of this wave 3. And before I get further into the technical analysis, to give you the short-term scenarios and also give you my target areas to the upside in the formation of that wave 3, first give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership. And allow me to first give you a target area to the upside in the formation of that wave 3 by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, and that now gives me a target area in the formation of that wave 3 at the fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $0.04956 mark. And that is the minimum that I'm expecting Gala Games to do here on the short-term scenarios in the formation of that wave 3. And for that move to also play out, there are key moves that are expected to see here on the Gala Games chart. And the first one was a break above the 20-day MA, both on the 1 hour chart and also on the 4 hour chart, and also a break above the wave 1 high of this Elliot wave structure right here, which lies at around the $0.04267 mark. And at the time of this recording, you can see that we are trading above the wave 1 high, which suggests that there are high chances that the move that we are seeing is quite impulsive, and there are high chances that we are going to continue gearing up until we fully maximize our minimum target areas in the formation of this wave 3. And for that move to also play out, we also need to see a break above this key area of resistance at around the $0.04336 mark. And the moment we manage to break through it, continue holding above it, and maybe even get a successful retest of that key area of resistance, then there will be high chances that Gala Games is going to continue unlocking higher prices until we fully maximize our minimum target areas in the formation of that wave 3. So that is what I'm expecting here on the short-term scenarios. And all this is playing out after we fully peaked in the formation of a larger Elliot wave count 1, and that was after seeing a 5-wave structure to the upside, having the wave 5 giving us a peak at around the $0.05113 mark. And having seen the high for that first wave, whatever we expected next was a corrective structure in the formation of a wave 2, which we have seen here on the charts, managing to get into the minimum retracement area within this white target area. And now the primary scenario is that whatever we are seeing is the formation of this wave 3, and as a result of the impulsive nature in the formation of that wave 3, we expect a fractal wave in formation, where we have peaked in that first wave, seen a wave 2, and now the primary scenario is that we have the formation of this wave 3 having our target areas at around the $0.04982 mark. And that is what I'm expecting on the short-term scenarios, and giving you the long-term outlook here on the Gala Games chart using this Elliot wave structure right here in blue, where we have now peaked in that first wave, seen a corrective structure in the formation of this wave 2 in a move that has now bottomed out within this blue target area. And now my primary scenario is that whatever we are seeing at the moment is the start of an impulsive wave in the formation of this wave 3. And because of the impulsive nature in the formation of that wave 3, I'm also expecting to see a 5-wave structure in formation, having the wave 5 fully maximizing our target areas. And that's the reason as to why you have seen that I have that 5-wave structure completing that first wave, then a second wave, and now my primary scenario is that we are in the formation of this wave 3 before we can expect that wave 4, then the wave 5, fully maximizing our minimum target areas in the formation of that larger Elliott wave count 3. And also taking a look at the indicators here on the RSI, we are trading at around the 65 mark, meaning we have massive room for us to fully support higher prices. Also taking a look at the MACD, we have been able to print a bullish cross, fully supporting higher prices. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll be keeping you updated.